Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about why the GPU chip shortage hits gamers and crypto miners. Let's head into it. The devastating situation. The scarcity of computer chips has slowed supply chains in a variety of sectors, and there's one type of computer chip that's in limited supply, and it's being sought after by two types of consumers, PC gamers and cryptocurrency miners. For short, the GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit.
Basically, the two biggest camps are going to be the gamers as well as the miners.
A certain type of computer chip has become extremely significant in today's environment. Graphics processing units bring virtual worlds to life. They've become the computer chip of choice for several crypto miners in recent years. Self-driving vehicles and supercomputing, for example, are becoming increasingly essential in cutting-edge disciplines. GPUs, like every other type of computer chip, are in low supply until 2021. In terms of player perception, the present condition of the chip industry is complete chaos. If you want to accomplish anything in PC gaming that's even close to cutting edge, you have two options. Scour as many eBay listings as possible, queue up at stores as soon as a new card becomes available, or give up. Also make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section. It's not getting better. Nvidia predicted early this year that severe GPU shortage would endure through 2021, and the firm now predicts that supply difficulties would last well into 2022. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang said he anticipates supply limitations for the majority of next year during the company's Q2 fiscal 2022 earnings call this week. According to a transcript of conversation obtained by video cards, Huang stated, "I would expect that we will see a supply-constrained environment for the vast majority of next year. Although Nvidia has committed to long-term supply obligations, demand is still outpacing supply at the moment due to a global chip shortage." However, Nvidia's prediction of a GPU scarcity, while beyond 2022, may not be as dire as they appear. Anecdotally, we've observed Nvidia resupplying a variety of its GPUs in Europe and the US more regularly in recent weeks than we've seen the RTX 30 series launched last year. AMD's RX 6600 XT GPUs have also recently sold at or below their suggested retail price, with plenty of stock available at UK shops.
Who is buying all of the GPUs? The nvidia RTX 3000 GPUs as well as AMD RX 6000 GPUs.
It's still not simple to go out and get the precise GPU you want, but it appears that things are improving significantly. Despite the shortages, Nvidia generated a record $6.51 billion in sales this quarter. Gaming accounted for $3.06 billion of Nvidia's total revenue. To address crypto mining demand, the firm is now delivering the majority, 80% of its PC gaming GPUs, with its light hash rate enabled. While Nvidia's gaming division is obviously prospering, the company's new cryptocurrency mining processor has fallen short of Nvidia's own expectations. CMP sales are believed to have been impacted by China's cryptocurrency crackdown, with miners selling off old GPUs.
It's what happened during the last few months. We have seen more GPUs on the shelves.
The GPU war. A fierce war is raging in the world of high-end semiconductor consumers, pitting Bitcoin miners against avid gamers. The Nvidia graphics cards in question are the latest generation, powerful, cutting-edge processors with the computing horsepower to show the most sophisticated video game visuals on the market. Gamers desire the chips so they can play their favorite games with ultra-realistic lighting effects. However, they are unable to obtain Nvidia cards because miners are purchasing them and modifying them to crunch cryptographic algorithms and collect digital money. Due to strong competition for chips, combined with the global semiconductor scarcity, resale prices have risen as much as 300%, prompting hundreds of thousands of desperate buyers to join up for daily lotteries for the chance to acquire chips at a large markup. Nvidia is effectively dividing its cutting-edge graphics hardware into two dumbed-down products: GeForce for gamers and cryptocurrency mining processor or CMP for miners, in order to broker a truce between its warring consumers. The GeForce graphics card is the most recent from Nvidia, with the exception that crucial sections of it have been delayed to make it less desirable to miners racing to solve crypto problems. CMP is built on an earlier version of Nvidia's graphics card that has had all of its display outputs removed, preventing gamers from using it to generate images. The objective of Nvidia's product division is to encourage miners to buy just CMP chips and leave the GeForce chips to gamers. On a May 26 conference call with investors and analysts, CEO Jensen Huang remarked, "What we hope is that the CMPs will satisfy the miners and steer out GeForce supply to gamers. Hopefully we'll see strong growth in our core gaming business this year as a result of the combination of those two." According to Vivek Arya of Bank of America, nvidia's top objective is to keep its dedicated gaming clients satisfied. Because Bitcoin prices are high, miners are flooding the market for graphics cards. But cryptocurrencies are volatile, and the miners' need for processors might dry up with the next crypto crisis. Gamers, on the other hand, will constantly be looking for the most up-to-date graphics processors. Part of it is keeping that trust with gaming customers they know will be around long after mining is gone, Arya explained. However, keeping the miners at bay will be difficult. In February, nvidia attempted to dissuade miners by introducing slowed-down graphics processors, but it was unsuccessful. The miners discovered how to hack the chips and get them to run at full speed once more. nvidia said on May 18 that it will produce a newer, more difficult to crack version of their slowed-down graphics cards that should be completely worthless to miners, and that gamers would be able to purchase them. What do you think about the current GPU situation? Are you team gamer or team miner? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.